There are times where I would just like to be blunt with riders and say what's on my mind. Since I always want to act professionally, I would never say these things, but today we'll go over 20 blunt things I'd like to say to riders just once. So first off, I'll preface by saying that with the majority of riders, I would have no need to say these things, but I have now given over 26,000 rides, and there are many times where I've just wanted to be blunt with riders and tell it like it is. Again, this is a blunt list. I would never say these things directly. If I were to kind of word these things a certain way, I'd use the words please or thank you, but for this exercise, all the statements and questions will be blunt. So let's jump right into the list. If you weren't completely ready, why did you request a ride? This is very simple. Don't request a ride if you wouldn't be able to walk out to the curb right that second. What does be right there mean to you? To me, it means I will be out in less than 10 seconds. Anytime I see the message from a passenger, be right there, I know it's going to be at least 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes before they come out. It's ridiculous. Don't smoke a cigarette or weed immediately before entering my car. You reek. You have a pet that sheds. Don't let them sit on my seat. I've had this happen a few times with both pet rides and service animal rides where they'll let their animal sit on my seat, shed everywhere, and then right after I drop them off, I have to clean my back seat with a lint roller. You are the one that screwed up the pickup address. It's not my fault that you don't know what you're doing. I cannot stand when riders enter my vehicle and say, oh, I was standing over there, or the pickup address is over here. All I have to go by is the address that you put in the app. It's all on you. Why would you make me wait for 5 minutes on a busy street with no parking? Have situational awareness for the driver. If you live on a busy street, when you make a request, be on the curb when the driver arrives. Take out your headphones and or stop having a conversation on your phone when you enter my vehicle so I can confirm your name and destination. Once that is done, you can have your headphones in the entire time. Riders will have their headphones in, listening to their music or having a conversation with someone, and they won't say a word to you. Just take 5 seconds when you enter a vehicle to confirm your name and confirm your destination address. Take out your headphones and look in my general direction before talking to me. I have no idea if you are talking to me or someone on your phone. That conversation will be going on for a long time and I'll just tune it out. Then that conversation ends and they'll start talking to me. They won't even be looking at me and I won't even know if they're talking to me or if they're talking to someone on their phone. Close my doors and trunk softly. Don't slam them. You are alone. Only sit in the front seat if you need to. If someone absolutely needs to sit in the front seat because they get sick in vehicles or they're a taller person, they need the more legroom, go for it. Otherwise, please sit in the back. Do not eat in my car or leave a mess. Either turn your phone down or put in headphones. Riders will be listening to loud videos on their phone and it sounds like it's playing through my car speakers. Turn it down or put your headphones in. It's 85 degrees outside and my air conditioning is on. No, I don't want you to open your window. Again, if the rider gets sick easily in vehicles and needs to have the window open, that's fine. But for riders that don't have this issue, don't open the window. If you're going to have a loud conversation, wait 15 minutes until you are out of my vehicle and then have it. I don't need to hear you yelling into your phone the entire time I'm giving you a ride. Either have a conversation with me or don't. Don't stop and start talking to me constantly while you're doing other things on your phone. Riders will be on their phone when they enter your vehicle. Then they'll start talking to me, asking me questions. Then they'll look back at their phone for a few minutes. Then they'll ask me questions again. Just commit to one thing, either interacting with your phone or talking with me. If you have a good navigation suggestion, go for it. Otherwise, just let me navigate and don't tell me how to drive. If there's a recent road closure that I might not be aware of, please let me know. Otherwise, just let me drive. You are the one that is late. You are the one that made me wait 5 minutes when I arrived. I am not speeding for you to get to your destination quicker. That's on you. The complete lack of self-awareness of some riders is baffling. A car seat does nothing if you don't buckle in your child. Thank you for bringing your car seat. Now use it the way it was intended. You didn't add a stop before making the request. I am not stopping. Almost every time I see a request come in and there are stops with the request, I decline those requests. You'll even have riders that will add stops when you're en route to pick them up. I'll cancel those right away too. I feel like stops should be eliminated completely and you can avoid them for the most part with that upfront information now. When we arrive at your destination, anticipate, have all of your belongings ready and exit promptly. This happens too often where I'm approaching someone's destination and they're just sitting back there completely clueless, not ready to exit the vehicle. It's also nice if it's a residential address and they can just confirm which house it is. Just please be ready. Alright, so that's my list of 20 blunt things that I'd like to say to riders just once. Again, I would never say these things to riders, but they are things that I've thought in my head. What about all of you? Have you ever been blunt with riders? Are there some blunt things that I should have obviously included that I didn't? Leave a comment below and let us know. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on using Lyft priority mode here in Minnesota, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.